Hey, look at this. These two batteries serve almost the exact same voltage, around 4.18 or 4.17 volts. But when I put them under low load, one of them drops hard or drops really quickly. So what's actually going on here? Let's find out. What's causing this? A bad brand? Low quality cells? Or maybe it's just been used for a long time. There could be a lot of reasons, but instead of guessing, let's test them and see what's really going on. Let's start with a quick visual check. Both batteries look pretty good. No swelling, no leaks, nothing as usual. Now, let's check the voltage again. Still solid. No issues here. Next, I'm using a tool called an internal resistance meter. Internal resistance basically tells you how easily a battery can deliver current or deliver power. The lower it is, the better the battery performs under load. Alright, let's measure. Look at the screen. Battery 1 around 15 milliamps. That's really good. The next one, over 100 milliamps. That's very high. So based on this, we can already make a pretty strong assumption. Even though both batteries show the same voltage, this one will struggle to deliver power under load. Now, let's move on to the next test. A load test to see how well each battery actually delivers energy. So this is a tool. I'm using this electronic load for the test. I'll set the current to 2 amps and a cut-off voltage of 3 volts. Do you know? A cut-off voltage will help to protect the battery. It stops automatically. Now we run the test and see how much capacity each battery can actually deliver. And there you go. The difference is pretty clear. The battery with 15 milliamps of internal resistance still delivers over 1000 milliamp hours, but the other one, just a few dozen milliamp hours. Same voltage, completely different performance. So here's the takeaway. Voltage alone doesn't tell you if a battery is good. Internal resistance and real load testing, that's what actually matters. If you found this useful, hit subscribe, because I test batteries like this all the time. Bye bye, see you, have a nice day.